Hello, my name is Kayla Harlan, and for my quiz creation tool, I chose Class Marker. Your students will begin on the first page where you write your name and email address, followed by instructions for the quiz. You'll begin by taking the first question, 2 multiple choice, 1 or 2 true or false. If you get the answer incorrect, it'll provide you with the correct answer and feedback providing you a reason why that was incorrect. If you choose a correct answer, it'll show you that yes, it was correct and evidence backing that answer up. Same thing for your true and false questions. If you get the answer correct, it'll provide you with positive feedback. And if you get it incorrect, then it'll show you the correct answer and feedback backing that up as well. As you finish up, you confirm and your results are sent to the instructor.